Section 9 of Birds, Volume 1, Number 2, February 1897. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Jen Broda. Untitled Poem. How do the robins build their nest? Robin Redbreast told me. First a wisp of yellow hay in a pretty round they lay. Then some shreds of downy floss, feathers too, and bits of moss, woven with a sweet, sweet song, this way, that way, and across. That's what Robin told me. Where do robins hide their nest? Robin Redbreast told me. Up among the leaves so deep, where the sunbeams rarely creep. Long before the winds are cold, long before the leaves are gold, bright-eyed stars will peep and see baby robins 1, 2, 3. That's what Robin told me. End of Section 9.